DIMO is currently one of the most profitable and affordable crypto miners in my mining portfolio. In this video, I want to share exactly how much I'm making with DIMO and what the current ROI or break-even time looks like for this project for those that are interested in joining.
Really? That's interesting.
If you're not already familiar with DIMO, I recommend you first watch my video I made about 3 months ago covering the project. I'll link it above and in the description below. I'm just going to cover DIMO earnings in this video, so let's get to it. First, let's look at the current and historical profitability of my two DIMO data miners. Now to do this, I did a Polyscan export in my Polygon wallet where I receive my DIMO reward tokens each week. I also did a poll from CoinMarketCap of the historical prices of the DIMO token so we can get a look at what the value of each reward was as of the reward date. Now for DIMO, you receive your rewards once a week. So every Monday, I receive my weekly rewards, assuming my DIMO data miner was connected the prior week. We go down here at the bottom, the current value for one of my devices that is currently a level 4 device. Last week earned $17 based on current prices. My other device, which is a level 3 device, paid $15 last week based on current prices. Now you may be wondering, what are these different levels? DIMO has a reward structure where you actually get higher rewards if your device is connected for multiple weeks. So if your device is connected for under 4 weeks, you're level 1. You graduate up to level 2 after it's been connected for 4 to 20 weeks consecutively. Level 3 from 21 to 36, and then you max out at level 4 at over 36 weeks. And I found this analysis from one of my subscribers, El Capo Fox, that he posted on Twitter earlier this week, and this shows the historical rewards for level 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the DIMO data miner. It's also got analysis for smart cars and Tesla, and this helped me to calculate what the change from level 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, what impact that has in terms of your percentage change week over week. So what I found based on his analysis here is we see a 16.7% increase in your rewards when you go from level 1 to 2, a 14.3% increase from 2 to 3, and then a 12.5% increase in rewards from 3 to 4. So really good analysis by Osvaldo here. I'll link his Twitter down in the description below. I recommend you give him a follow. He puts together some really good analysis, and he's been very early on a lot of different projects. So I think he's a great follow for anyone looking to get into new projects. Now, the one other reason I wanted to put this analysis together is I wanted to determine what the weekly trend change is of the DIMO rewards week over week so that we can project out in the future how much these rewards are going to change over time. Here in late April, early May, when the DIMO token price was moving up pretty substantially, we did see a pretty big decrease in the weekly rewards, and that's really being driven by more and more people jumping into this project. As it became more lucrative, more people purchased DIMO data miners, and the way these rewards work is there's a set pool of reward tokens each week, and as more and more people join the project, you get a smaller slice of that reward pie. So that's really driving the decrease in the number of tokens that we were receiving over time, week over week. So we look at the last 3 weeks where we didn't have a level change. You can see we're averaging about a 2.3% decrease in our DIMO reward amounts week over week. So we can use that as an assumption for the going forward decrease in rewards when doing our ROI/break-even analysis next. The current cost for the DIMO data miner is $299. They did do a price drop recently, so this is a nice discount versus the prior prices that we saw a couple months ago, where I believe it was about $350. I do have a coupon code you can use, Swan. It'll get you 10% off your order, so you save about $30. It'll bring that net cost down to $269. I'll link the link where you can purchase this in the description below. I did some analysis of who's watching my videos and on what devices, and found about 10% of you watch on TVs, so you really have no way to clicking links if you're watching on a TV. I'll put a QR code up on the screen now if you're interested in purchasing one of these DIMO data devices. Now for the assumptions for this analysis, we're going to assume your device, if you're watching this and you don't have one yet, you'd order it soon. I believe delivery, they get them out very quickly and within about a week. So you'd have your device active prior to August 7th, 2023. Next assumption, your DIMO token price remains constant at current levels for this analysis. Obviously, no, that's not realistic. Cryptocurrency prices, obviously fluctuate pretty substantially all the time. But for this analysis, for conservative purposes, we'll stick with that 11 cents per token price. The reward weekly percentage change stays consistent at current levels. So we're going to use that minus 2.3% for this analysis. And then finally, last assumption, your device would stay active every week so that you can gradually increase your reward levels over time. And as always, remember this analysis is not financial advice. So if we expand this out here, we're assuming that minus 2.3% weekly change week over week. And then we're using Osvaldo's percentage changes for the level ups to come up with our level up anticipated rewards changes when we're going from 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. So based on this analysis and these prices, you can expect a break even in 28 weeks to break even, basically have $270 in rewards to offset that net cost of $269. So really a pretty good break even, especially when you compare to most other projects out here in this bear market. Just over 6 months is still quite lucrative when you're considering a project like this. And obviously break even is not the only consideration when considering a project like this. You also don't have any ongoing maintenance or expenses or electric associated with this project. And you also don't have any tinkering. It's really a plug and play, set it or forget it project, which makes it really nice and very passive for you. Next, just for fun, let's look at what this break-even analysis would look like if the DIMO token were to hit all-time highs again. So the DIMO all-time high was set on April 18th, 2023 at just over 30 cents per token. Now this was right when DIMO was being listed on Coinbase and there was a lot of excitement around the token and the project. So if DIMO were to hit those all-time highs again in the next several months, you would potentially break even in just about 10 weeks from your go live date. So earning $297 in rewards versus your net cost of $269. I personally think there's a good chance that we see DIMO hit all-time high prices again once we get out of this bear market, and the fact that the DIMO network continues to grow pretty substantially. I think that adds potential value for this project and this network in the future. So I think we could see all-time highs, and personally, I think we could see even much higher prices than all-time highs in the future. But obviously, that's just my opinion, but that's why I'm continuing to hold a lot of the DIMO tokens that I earn each week, because I think we could potentially see much, much higher prices in the next bull market. Now, did I miss anything in this analysis? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm interested in what your take is on DIMO and the profitability figures. If you drive a lot and want to earn even more passive income, I've got another new project I'm really excited about called Hive Mapper. You can check out my video covering Hive Mapper over here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.